Anjani Interior Design. Quality Perhutani wood for furniture, villas, resorts, and hotels. Welcome to Anjani Interior Design, your trusted partner in bringing natural beauty to the interiors and exteriors of your property. We specialize in furniture and interiors for villas, resorts, and hotels using high-quality, certified, and weather-resistant wood. We only use Perhutani wood managed to the highest quality standards. Each piece of wood is selected through a rigorous assessment process to ensure structural strength, beautiful grain, and resistance to climate change. Certified genuine Perhutani wood. High-quality hardness, durability, and stability. Quality grades tailored to both interior and exterior needs, with proven termite and weather protection. Our services include custom furniture, interior solutions for villas, resorts, and hotels, and designs that align with your brand. Service highlights. Custom design according to your brand. 3D prototype before production. Durable high-quality finish. Structural consultation for exterior needs. On-time delivery and on-site installation. We integrate technical details with aesthetics, ensuring comfort, durability, and harmony with your property's identity. Our process is transparent and measurable, from wood selection to final finishing. Every stage is supervised by quality control to maintain quality standards. Process points. Material selection. Ready-to-use Perhutani wood. Ergonomic, functional, and aesthetic design. Weather-resistant finish for outdoor use. Strict quality control before delivery. Why choose Anjani Interior Design? Benefit points. Guaranteed quality. Trusted wood sources certification. Durability. Weather-resistant finish. Full customization. Size, style, and color. Time efficiency. Managed design and installation. Brand alignment. Products align with your property's identity. Our portfolio includes interior furniture, balcony elements, hotel lobbies, and outdoor architectural solutions for projects of various sizes, from private villas to international class resorts. Contact us for technical consultations and custom designs. Anjani Interior Design, quality Perhutani wood solutions for furniture, villas, resorts, and hotels. Free consultation. On-time production. Quality guarantee. Website: www.anjaniinterior.com. Visit our website to see our complete portfolio and start creating your dream interiors and exteriors with quality Perhutani wood. Anjani Interior Design combines natural beauty with high-quality Perhutani wood for furniture, villas, resorts, and hotels. Custom designs, weather-resistant finishes, and on-time delivery. Perhutani wood, guaranteed quality. Contact us now.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile